didn't man a little bit over here. I don't want to touch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make chicken tandoori biryani. Years ago, probably about 4 years ago, I made a version of chicken tandoori rice which is very similar. So back in the day my video was like there were noise in the background. My first second videos, one of the second video I believe. So today I'm planning on making another version which is quick, easy and yummy, delicious as usual. So now you can see in this bowl over here, I have already marinated my chicken tandoori last night in the fridge. So all I have added in this marination was salt, black pepper, tandoori masala, ginger and garlic paste, plain yogurt, and now I'm gonna mix everything using my hand just until combined. And now I'm gonna cover this and let it sit in the fridge overnight. And other than that, we're gonna need some chopped mint, chopped coriander, some green chilies, sliced lemon, because I didn't add lemon juice in my marination chicken this time, a lot of fried onion, and then I have my basmati rice soaking here. I have potatoes cut into small cubes like that. I'm gonna add some salt in here and some yellow food color. I like to use yellow food color. I think it is just more easier to use than saffron. I do use saffron sometimes. Most of the time I use yellow food color. And now I'm just gonna mix that up, and then we are going to so I'm gonna go mix this. I need a spoon. I don't want to put my hand here because I'm gonna be all yellowy. So we're gonna go put the rice cook one side, and on the other side we're gonna start frying these potatoes. So my water is boiling, and all I have added in here is salt, few cardamom, and one little piece of cinnamon stick. Add the rice, stir the rice right away, and then we're gonna cook this rice until 90% cooked, and then I'm gonna drain them all. Large pot, most likely I make biryani in here. I have some oil, about half cup. To that I'm gonna add a big tablespoon of ghee. The oil is not too hot right now. Add the potatoes right now so that the potatoes doesn't spill everywhere. And now I'm just gonna get a spoon, and we are going to fry these potatoes for 8 to 10 minutes. Over here, now the rice is ready to drain. Over here, now the rice is ready to drain. Potatoes are ready. Remove and set on aside. To the same oil, I'm gonna fry this onion. Onion has some color, like light brown color. And now I'm gonna add this marinated chicken. Okay, so now we're gonna give this a stir, and over medium-high heat, I'm gonna cook this chicken until completely done. The smell is so good anyway. It's been 20 minutes since the chicken is cooking. It's not done yet. The chicken didn't cook properly yet, but it didn't release too much water as well. So I'm gonna add a little bit, like 1/3 cup of water to half cup, depending how much you need, just to make sure the chicken is cooked properly. So then we're gonna cook this for another 10 minutes. Add the fried potatoes, and we are going to cook this for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the rice. Okay, so I'm gonna layer the rice just like so. I'm gonna leave the heat on. I'm not gonna turn it off. I forgot to add this green chili before, so I'm gonna add it now. But I did not forget to add lemon. This is my plan, to add the lemon in the middle of the rice. So I don't want this lemon to touch those red color. So a little bit of chopped coriander, a little bit of mint, and now I'm gonna add the rest of the rice on top. A little bit of color, dissolve in water. And then a little bit of mint, chopped coriander, And then I am going to cover and let this cook over medium-low heat for 8 to 10 minutes. After turning the heat off, I let the pot just like that for another 10 minutes so it can rest on the dum. So now we are going to check our chicken tandoori biryani. See the lemon? The lemon is soft, is cooked, but didn't catch any red color, which this is what I want. Okay, put the chicken on the side. I'm gonna plate a little bit so that you guys can see what we are talking about. The chicken is cooked properly, it's already splitting apart. This is looking so good. Any pieces that has this burnt color a little bit, that's gonna be mine. I'm getting hungry. You guys already know me, I can't see good food. How easy was that? Our chicken biryani, chicken tandoori biryani is ready, and this is how it looks like. It is so beautiful. What I have to do is right now is just sprinkle some chopped coriander. If you desire, just sprinkle some chopped mint. I don't want to touch this one right now. I need to take picture. I like to take picture of every food that I make. So let's try a little bit, and I want you to see how tender is the chicken and everything. See, the chicken is falling apart. Chicken leg. I prefer chicken leg. I use a whole chicken, so there is chicken breast, chicken leg, different part of the chicken, so everybody has desire what they want to eat. So as usual, my mouth is watering. It is hot. So hot. So yummy. I love potatoes in the biryani. So good. Written ingredient is down below waiting for you. Check it out, make it, and I will see you next time. Bye.